Please. Hello, afternoon. It's just turned afternoon now, or just about. Come, ducks. So yeah, just done the washing up, and the dog was scared of the fireplace thing that just fell down. So yeah, it's a thing. Quite funny. See a little video. There we go. Yeah. So I just got some more top sign cards. Come, get in. And she needs her hats on because she's in season. Yeah, not nice, to say it the least. If you ever had a female dog and you had her in season at least once, of course, everyone probably would have, so it's not nice. It's really not nice. So yeah. What? You wanna go back out again? For fuck's sake. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm going to try to play some Mirror's Edge, because I haven't played it yet. That's one of the games I got for my birthday for myself. And I need to play this, because it's just updated. And, you know what, I saw my uncle play this game, and I thought, yeah, it looked pretty good, so I'm going to try and test it out, see if I can do any good, you know, so, yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, when I play it. So, fireworks began off in the school, recently, well, just about an hour ago. It was pretty good. Get free tickets, so got seats, you know, from my bedroom. Sit down on the bed and just look out window. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, simple as. Don't need to fucking pay. Who cares? And I got fucking twonk next door but one. Set off some fireworks for his mate. It's fucking loud as fuck. So got to turn TV up to drown him out. Fun. Had some grub. So yeah, all good. All good. Gonna watch some Citizen Kane. Citizen Guard is quite funny. It's good. It's Pakistani. It's good. And that's not racist because it's Pakistani. It's a good show. And then I got Not Going Out at 9:30, so that's good. So I'll watch some shows and I'll see you in a day off. So see you then. Also, Mirror's Edge, good, but sometimes I can't knack it, hack it, whatever, knack it, hack it, whatever. I can't do it. So yeah. I'll just stick to Nintendo from now on, really. Sad life, but whatever.